Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see fish gravy recipe in clay pot. The ingredients needed for fish gravy or fish korambu are Nethili fish marinated, tamarind water 1 cup, finely chopped onions. I have taken 3 onions for this, and finely chopped tomatoes, 2 tomatoes, and turmeric powder, red chilli powder, pepper powder, garlic and coriander powder. Half onion and tomato needs to be blended, so keep that separate in a mixie jar. Now keep the clay pot in the flame, medium flame, and pour 2 to 4 teaspoons of oil. I am using Vadakam for Tadka. That is a special flavor adding ingredient. If you don't have that, you can directly add urid dhal, Channa dhal along with usual Tadka items. Cumin seeds, whole black pepper, Fenugreek seeds, little Fenugreek seeds just for smell, and mustard. Turmeric powder either you can add at this stage, because it is a medium flame it won't burn out, so you can add it here. Stir it well until the mustard flutters. Cook it at low or medium flame, but you have to wait till it gets cooked. Then add the dried red chilli, only one I am adding for the tadka, and add the chopped onions. Don't forget to keep half onion and tomato for getting a consistency we will be using. That is a special tip here. Now add the curry leaves. If you add the curry leaves at the initial stage of tadka, the flavor would not stay, so I am adding it when I am adding the onions. Now I will be adding salt for the onions to fry and taste good. The secret tip for this Nethili fish korambu is you have to give the flavor to enter into each and every fish and the vegetables we are adding, that is onion, garlic and tomato. Now I have blended the onions and tomatoes which I have kept. This will give a thick consistency for the gravy. And the second ingredient which I will be adding is coriander powder. Now I am adding chopped tomatoes. Now let it cook well, so that the tomato pieces are not in full shape. Now cover it and cook it for few minutes, and see, now it is nicely cooked. Saute it and check. If needed, cook for more time, maybe 1 or 2 minutes. At this stage, add crushed garlic. Don't put the garlic as whole cloves. If you crush it and put it, it will give a nice aroma. See, the aroma of the garlic will be there. Curry leaves also will be there. The flavor only gives a nice taste for the fish which we add. Don't add all together. Let each and every ingredient cook. Give enough time for each and every ingredient to cook, and then add everything. Now after the garlic smell is little cooked, I am adding tamarind water. Now you check the consistency. If it is little watery, or you feel you want it to be thick, you can add either coriander powder or At this stage also you can add little onion tomato paste. Now I added little pepper. Pepper is always ingredient that needs to be added for the non-vegetarian dishes. It takes the raw smell of the non-veg, whichever it is. And add Kashmiri chili powder for color. The gravy color will be red. And now I am adding coriander powder for making it thick. See, now the consistency is changing and the color is also changed. See how thick it has come? Thick gravy. Allow it to boil. At this stage, another secret ingredient and aromatic ingredient is pearl onions. Either you can just crush and put it, or you can, if it is smaller in size, you can put it. You need not cook it, you can just leave it to boil and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add water now. The small onions have medicinal value also, so you can add it, and it tastes good as well. Cover it with the lid and cook it for 5 to 6 minutes at low flame or medium flame, not at high flame. If your flame is too low, keep it at medium flame. See, now it is boiled very well. So it's cooked and it is ready for the fish to be added into it. Add the marinated Nethili fish. If you want to know the marination, you can watch my other video, Nethili fry. I've added salt and red chili powder with turmeric and marinated. Just 10 pieces of Nethili fry I have put. Cover it with a lid and cook it for just 3 to 4 minutes, not more than that. As the fish is very tender and soft, it will cook fast. Don't leave it to cook for more than that time. See, it is boiled, and slowly saute it. Don't disturb the pieces or it will break. Now the fish gravy is ready. You can transfer it into stainless steel container and store it, but keep it in the clay pot. It tastes good and it stays for 2 to 3 days. It goes very well with idli, dosa and rice as well. Enjoy it with your family.